Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to export your total form submissions. We'll begin by hovering over the chart icon on the left-hand sidebar and clicking Reports. We then click on the eyeball icon in the Form Summary Report. You'll then get taken to the Form Summary Report screen where you can select the total submissions for a form. Then you'll see all the submissions associated with the form. First, I'll show how to export one or a few specific ones. You'll need to go to the left and click on whichever submissions you want to export, then click the Actions button in the top right and select Export. So that's how you export a few specific submissions. Next, we'll show how to export all. For this, you just click on the Actions button and select Export All. Next, you'll see the Export Configuration screen pop up where you can give specifics like the date range or which columns to include in the export. Once you've decided on those, you can click Export and your file will download. And we're done. Thank you for watching, and you now know how to export your form submissions.